Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex GMT-Master 2 on Jubilee Bracelet, this one for left-handers. The model reference number for this watch is 126720VTNR. Retail price on this left-hand watch as of 2022 is $11,250 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Rolex GMT-Master 2 is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full-size case for most guys. Case material is 904L stainless steel, so that's corrosion and, resistant. And the sides in the case are polished to a higher mirror finish. And if you look in the back, you can see there's a screw-down case back. Case water resistance is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. You're probably not going to go diving with it, but it should be holding up fine if you're just in the water or at a pool. Let's go ahead and try this watch on for size. This is a left-hander's watch, so let's go ahead and try it on my right hand. And that's what it looks like on my right hand. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. It's a good looking watch. I like this color scheme. So Rolex GMT-Master 2 has a green and black color scheme on its bezel. We've seen the solid black bezel, the blue and black, the blue and red, and now we have the green and black color scheme now. Really good combination. It's a nice contrast with that black index dial. Wraps it up nicely. This is a good looking watch, and I happen to like it on this Jubilee bracelet as well. Now going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful black dial with index hour markers. Really easy to see and read. Get a little confused at first, because I'm seeing the date here at the 3 o'clock position on Rolexes normally. This one's on the left side, or the 9 o'clock position of the dial, right here. The watch was made for people who are dominantly left-handed, so naturally this watch would go on your right hand if you're left-handed, making it easy for you to wind with your opposite hand, in this case the left hand. The blue chroma light lume is actually applied on all the hour markers, the index hour markers, also on the hour, minute, and second hand. So you can see this watch pretty easily in the low light conditions. The crown here, but it's normally at the 9 o'clock, is actually here at 3 o'clock is normally at the 3 o'clock. It's here on the 9 o'clock position. It can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. It's probably easier for me to invert this watch, so I'm unscrewing the case with my right hand, winding and setting the time on this case as a right-hander. So winding it in your first position, you can give it 10 to 15 turns. That should be good enough to get this watch running. Second position out, it's going to be able to change the date and the jump hour. You'll notice the hour hand is the only thing moving here. And the date function actually flips over for every 2 times you go around the dial. The third position out is going to be able to change the hour hand, or the minute hand. Once you have your hand set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. You can turn it right back upside. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3285, has the hour, minute, date, and GMT function with a quick jump hour hand. The power reserve is about 70 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, it's still going to be keeping time. Now under the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at this stainless steel Jubilee bracelet. with a folding oyster lock clasp, a safety clasp. You're going to see high polish center links and a satin finish on the outer portions of the bracelet. This deployment has an easy link feature in it. Will actually open up this bracelet even more, about 5 millimeters. So you can actually, if your wrist is swollen, then you can actually remove this and extend it another 5 millimeters, and it allows your watch to breathe on your wrist a lot better. Now if you want to get this watch on an oyster bracelet, if that's what you prefer, it's $200 cheaper at the retail level. As far as what I think about this watch, overall this watch is an easy, feels easy on the wrist. Looks great. The green color hype that's going on with several watch companies has me thinking this watch will get more attention with this color scheme. It is a bit difficult to operate when you first pick it up because you're used to, well, I'm used to actually operating a right-hander's watch. So doing everything with the left hand is a little bit awkward. Eventually I'll probably get used to it, or I can just flip it over and set it with my right hand. I think some people won't care that it's a left-handed watch, and they'll still get it. Collectors are probably going to add this to their collection, as it's a left-handed watch that this is the first left-handed watch that I've seen from Rolex. Now if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 126720VTNR. This is the Rolex GMT-Master 2 126720VTNR green and black Jubilee watch, also known as the Sprite, new for 2022. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.